So when we get to the point where we find the slope of the line between point P and Q, and we know that it's broken down to -3 minus YQ over 5 minus XQ, we can use the calculator to help us evaluate each of those points in a much easier way than doing it step by step. So we know that um, the y coordinate for the point Q is 3 over 4 minus x. So that's what we're going to put in there for that. And next we're going to treat the second one as that equation of the slope between the points P and Q. So we said it was -3 minus, it was y cubed. This is our y cubed right here. So we just put this in this function y1. So we can actually just use this function. There's a way we can just put y1 right here. You do that by pressing vars. You scroll over to y vars, and then this first option function, it's already highlighted. You press enter, and this lists all of the functions that you have in your graph on this y equals button. So we just put that y coordinate in for y1. So we're just going to choose that. So basically what we just did was we took -3 and then we subtracted this entire function right here. Then we're going to divide by, what is it, 5 minus the x coordinate of q, which is just x. It's given in the problem. So now we can, once we have this in for y2, we can evaluate each of those points very easily using the calculator. So I'm going to hit second and quit. So when you want to evaluate point or specific inputs for functions that you have in this TI calculator, you press vars, scroll over to y vars, choose function again, and then we put our slope of the line function into y2. So we're just going to scroll down there and choose enter. And now you just set it up as if it was just function notation. So you want to evaluate y2 at the point 4.9. And then it comes out. There's your answer. You can do it again for the next one. I think the next one's 4.99. And there it is. You can just go do that for each one of them. And once you do it one time, you don't even have to go in and keep pressing this vars. You can just do second entry, and it'll pull up the last thing that you wrote. And you can just scroll back. I think it just adds another 9 for the next one. I'm not sure. That's it, and then you just keep going that way. And that's pretty much how you would solve this on a calculator.